The first thing that I do is apply dry shampoo to my second day hair, and I portion my hair out into 2 sections, curling the bottom first. Always make sure to let the curls cool. You don't have to be very precise with this hairstyle, and I want to make sure that there's enough volume in it when I do end up styling it at the end. I take my teasing comb and I really want that added volume. Don't be too hasty with this step. Put as much volume as you want when you do the twists at the end. It's a little bit trickier to tighten up the curl or the twist. I threw my brush, thought that it was funny. Rather than doing it at the end and trying to pull it out. So make sure you have a buttload of bobby pins. And what I do is I just twist, making sure that I push the hair up and put the bobby pin in with the little teeth facing downwards towards the scalp, if that makes sense. I can definitely do a video showing how to secure bobby pins to make sure that this style lasts all day. I'm just going to take the pick at the end of my teasing comb and force the hair out a little bit because it seemed a bit too tight for my liking. Then I took my Karina Hairspray Sweet Pea Organic. It's my favorite, and there's a video on my channel if you're interested. I do the same thing. I think typically women know what hairstyle it is when you twist and then make a little crown. You're going to still do that with the rest of the hair, just taking it piece by piece and twisting it one on top of another, making sure that you still have the pieces framing the face. At the end, you take the 2 pieces, twist them together, and then you just curl, not curl, but you put the pieces underneath and bobby pin. I'm just taking all of the side pieces, making sure that it's loose enough. Be a little bit gentle with this part, and if you need to, definitely use your fingers. It's so much easier to loosen up that twist. And the reason why I love this hairstyle is it looks so fancy and it looks intricate, but it's very easy to do. I save my bangs to the last. Usually I have a round brush. Unfortunately, I only have this paddle brush for the purpose of this video, but definitely round brushes are easier. I spray my bangs with the hairspray, and that's pretty much it. I just go around looking at the back, the front, seeing if it's loose enough, and adding my hairspray. Happy how that turned out, and we will get into the makeup tutorial. Oh my god. Why? Why? Don't look at my forehead. Oh my god, why? Like, look at that. I swear to god. Okay. I feel like I need more. Totally meant to do that. I feel like I need more warmth to my face. It's like, it's just not enough.